In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show items with no data in Power BI. This feature is perfect when you want categories to appear even if there's no corresponding data, like showing all product lines, regions, or time periods, including those with zero activity. It helps you tell a complete story and avoid misleading gaps on your visuals. Start by opening Power BI Desktop on your computer. Once it loads, head into the report where you want this behavior. Click to select the visual you're working on. This could be a table, a matrix, or a column or bar chart. With the visual selected, look over to the Visualizations pane so you can access the relevant settings and fields for that visual. For a matrix or a table, the process is straightforward. In the Fields area for that visual, locate the field you placed on rows or columns, right-click that field, and choose Show Items with No Data. Power BI will now display all the categories from that field, even when there are no matching rows in your data. This is especially useful for dimensional fields like products, departments, or date buckets, where you want a complete list regardless of activity. For column and bar charts, start by opening the Format pane for the visual, then expand the X-axis section. Next, locate the field that is driving the axis in the visual's fields well. Right-click that field and select Show Items with No Data. Once it's enabled, your chart will include categories with zero values so viewers can see what's missing, not just what's present. This same idea applies to other visuals that use category fields. Select the visual, find the category or series field in the Visualizations pane, right-click it, and enable Show Items with No Data when available. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. This option appears for fields that define categories, not for measures. It works best when the field comes from a dimension table that's related to your fact table, since Power BI uses those relationships to list categories even without matching rows. If you don't see the option, check that your axis is categorical rather than continuous, and that you're right-clicking the field in the Visuals Fields area. Also note that when you show items with no data, the visual might look sparse at first. That's expected, and it's often exactly what you want to highlight. Once you've enabled it, review the visual to confirm that empty categories now appear. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create clearer, more complete Power BI reports.